Today on Mike Attempts, battery refill. The wife's car has been cranking slower after sitting overnight. Contrary to the name, maintenance-free lead-acid batteries still require maintenance. This battery has translucent sides so you can easily see the fluid level is low in each cell. You can also see the fluid level by removing the caps and looking inside. Clean the top first to avoid getting dirt inside the battery. This one has a threaded cap for each cell. Another popular battery type has these large rectangular caps that push down into the holes. You can just pop them off with a flathead screwdriver. See these black fins that extend down from the hole? There's one on each side, and when the fluid is just touching the bottom of these fins, the cell is full. Only use distilled water to refill a battery. Not purified water, not spring water, only distilled water has all of the minerals removed. The battery is filled with sulfuric acid, so you should definitely wear safety glasses, and gloves would probably be a good idea too. Use a small funnel to fill the cell. Do not overfill. Use a flashlight and go slow until the fluid just touches the bottom of the fins. It should look like this. Resecure the cap and repeat the process for the remaining cells. Here's the final cell after being filled. This 5-year-old battery will still need to be replaced eventually, but for now, this has resolved the slow crank. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.